Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a quick unboxing of my MacBook Air. It's my very first Apple computer. I've never had one before, so I was super excited. I've always had either a Dell or HP. My HP computer was not working out for me. It just was not doing good. So I just purchased a brand new one. I so far love this laptop. I'm not sure why I waited so long to purchase it. It's so smooth. It's lightweight. The picture looked good. The only thing is that the camera is not that great on it. But overall, I mean, I really do like the computer. I have to just get used to, doing left and right and going up and down with the mouse versus, just clicking with the stroll bar. But otherwise, I love the laptop. Um, it's a great buy. I definitely recommend it. It does come with a charger as well. And I did purchase extra things so I can plug in my HDMI cable and items like that. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.